Princess Kate's 70s-style bangs from 2015 have left a lasting impression, but her modern take on the look in 2023 is equally captivating. In 2015, the Princess of Wales attended a gala dinner, looking unrecognizable with sweeping bangs that rivaled Farrah Fawcett's iconic style. Her hair, cut to a length just below her shoulders, featured a subtle flick at the ends for added volume. Accompanying her 70s-inspired hairstyle, Kate donned a tiered floral dress by Erdem and statement drop earrings, making a statement at the event that raised funds for the Art Room, a mental health charity. This event showcased Kate's interest in mental health and child development, which she and Prince William have championed through the Heads Together campaign and the Royal Foundation Center for Early Childhood. In 2023, Kate embraced a modern twist on her 70s bangs, showcasing her versatility. On November 2nd, she visited Outfit More, an award-winning charity in Scotland, wearing bouncy waves with curtain bangs that caught the wind, adding a sense of lift and movement. Hello, is Deputy Beauty and Lifestyle Editor Melanie McLeod praised Kate's ability to pull off face-framing fringes, stating that her casual, cool style brings her timeless hair up to date. McLeod noted that Kate's 2015 heavy bangs and 2023 softer look were both winners, highlighting the style's versatility. The article concludes with a reminder that bangs require maintenance, as daily styling is essential to keep them looking polished. It encourages readers to consider the style's impact on framing the face and the importance of embracing their hair's unique characteristics.